Yeah. Look what they did to that our little rollover. Made a huge jump. I still rode over it. Are you gonna go on a normal trail? Put that thing on descend and see how it sucks up those little rocks. What's that, Rascal? You get that? You got it in descend? You'll notice a difference. You should. Rascals, let's go, Pops. Come on, Rascal. Pico. Go a different trail. I haven't been down this one forever. See, this is where I like to drop a post. I drop it down about an inch, and I just kind of just relax. Just relax, everybody rolls. That's not bad right now, huh? Yeah. A little chewed up, huh? You see, I mean, it's a little, the turning radius you gotta get used to, huh? Yeah. Once you get used to that, you'll enjoy it. You'll still miss some of about the 26. You notice it, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice and calm, yeah. See, that's where it would be nice. This would be nice to have the controller. The controller to click it out of descend, put it into trail. Yeah.